Hi guys, so I'm super excited for today's video. I think I literally say that every single time that I film, but if I wasn't excited to do the video, I wouldn't do the video. Today we are going to be reviewing a magnetic eyeliner and eyelash kit. I have seen a lot of bigger YouTubers review like more expensive eyelash and eyeliner kits, so I wanted to try one that was a bit more affordable. I bought this one on Amazon. It was £8 the time that I got it, but I checked the order just now and it's now £10. I will link the one that I got down below if you want to get this one. I really like the idea of them, like the ease of just being able to pop them on and off without having all that glue. I think that would make it so much easier for me when I'm doing my makeup for like YouTube videos or photo shoots. If I'm only wearing them for like an hour or less than an hour, it'd be really cool if I can just pop them on and off that quickly and then not end up pulling like half my eyelashes out when I try to remove them. So I'm hoping that this works. I really am. So this is the kit that I got. Let's open these up. This is how it comes. This is the picture you'll see on Amazon. And these are the lashes that I chose. I think they are actually really gorgeous lashes. Like, despite not knowing just yet whether this is actually going to work and be nice to wear, the lashes themselves are really nice. So my main concern just looking at them is that I very often have to trim my eyelashes. I don't really like wearing them all the way to my inner corner. I just think it kind of looks weird on me. There you can see that there's little magnets along the lash strip. If I cut part of the edge off, then I'm going to lose a whole chunk of magnet. I'll have to cut all the way to there, like to get the next magnet on the edge. We'll have to see. I have already done eyeliner and mascara because I want to just use a really thin line of this. I don't want to waste this. Like, I've seen people do like their whole eyeliner with it, like a whole flick, and I just don't see the point. You're just wasting the magnetic eyeliner. Like, you don't need this part to be magnetic. So I've already done all my makeup and I'm just going to do a really thin line on the top of my lash line. So yeah, no, that's just like really, that's too big. That's too big. I need to cut so much. People, I mean, look, if you want to wear your eyelashes like this, fine. But I think it's just so much nicer when they don't droop. Like, this is like bringing your eye down. And I like to have like a cat eye. So I don't like having that much eyelash. But I'm scared to cut them. What if I fuck it up and regret it? I mean, it was only £10. It's not the end of the world. Maybe I should use the ones that I like the least. I think I'm going to cut the middle ones because, look, this whole chunk here, I feel like could go. The second magnet ends there. I'll cut to there and see how it fits on my eye because I know at least that much has to go. God, they're dark, aren't they? I think these are like the least natural looking ones. I do like the ones that are more like flary overall, but that's why I'm using these ones. These are my least favourite design, I think. It says to shake it, so I'm going to shake it good. Get all those magnetic particles moving. I'm going to be quite generous, but still try and keep it like thin. It's so much blacker than my actual eyeliner. It's kind of embarrassing. I'm going to try and blend it a bit in. Okay. So I'm going to let that dry. I got some on my eyelashes and then I tried to wipe it off. So now I just have clumpy mascara on my fingers. So they're almost dry, but I'm going to leave them a little bit longer. Just make sure that they are really fully dry, because I feel like if you put them on when they're like still tacky, then it's more likely to come off onto the magnet rather than adhere the magnet to your eyelid. I'm going to keep these two because then you've got like little mini extensions, or you can use them on like the bottom or something. Oh wow. Whoa. Whoa. That's so cool. That's strange. Ooh. I feel like normally I would angle my eyelashes a little bit higher, although that might just be the actual eyelash design. I don't know. I feel like because of where the magnets are placed, I am getting a little bit more of like a droop before they go up. Did we do it? I think we did. I'm gonna be honest, I'm not a total fan of this eyelash style, but I did use these ones and not the ones that I prefer for a reason, just in case I fucked it up somehow. I can definitely feel that they're there, but I'd say no more than when I have normal eyelashes on. To get the best application out of these, I would probably coat my eyelashes with mascara on the top just before I'm putting the magnetic ones on. Sort of like push my eyelashes and the false lashes together a little bit, because I do that when I use glue and mascara. I will go in and I will like merge the two together, because I really hate when you can see like a gap between them, which you kind of can with these. I don't know how I'd feel about them in the wind, or if I get like my hair caught in them or something. But I suppose carrying this around and then just being able to pop them back on is actually quite useful. You would just get used to placing them and putting them on quite quickly. Obviously this was my first go, so it's one of those things that you would get used to. Now this is my question to you guys, and you know, anyone that's watching who just may know the answer. I've seen a lot of people review these and actually be really happy with them, as am I right now, so I get it. But then I never see them using them in like any routine or makeup video like or anything ever again. So like, why? What is wrong with them that I don't yet know? Am I going to wear these out and they're going to blow off and disappear and I'm just never going to... Is that why nobody wears them again? Because I genuinely don't see anybody using them after them saying that they were really happy with it in their review. So like, why? Okay, so I think for my overall opinion, I'm going to give these a thumbs up. Obviously, I haven't really put them to a test, a wearability test. But as I said at the beginning, if this was just to pop on for filming a video, would you guys be able to tell if I just came on here and was like, sup, today we're going to do XYZ? Would you be like, she's wearing their magnetic lashes because they look bad? Like, would you guys clock it or not? I guess that's what I need to know. I paid £8, but even for £10, like, you do get 3 pairs of lashes and a thing of eyeliner. I wonder if you can buy just the magnetic eyeliner so that you can just like keep using these, because I guess if these aren't getting covered in glue, the actual lashes themselves are probably going to last a bit longer than the normal ones that you would get covered in all gross with glue, you know. If I wear them to a shoot one day and then all the pictures come back and they're just like this, I'll let you know. But so far I'm really happy with them, so I'm gonna end this video there. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you've tried this kind of thing before. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video if you come back, which you should, because